Welcome back to Weekend Smile. We're joined by a talented young entrepreneur who has crafted a path in the world of jewelry making. Owner and designer of Leanne Jewelry, Brianna Johnson, joins us to share her journey and the heart behind her stunning designs. Welcome, Brianna. How are you doing?
I'm good. Thank you for having me today.
You're welcome. How did you get into this business?
It started as a hobby. I took some classes while I was in school just for the fun of it. And when I finished school, I thought I would pick it back up to keep having that hobby going. My sister took one of the first necklaces I made. She fell in love with it and never gave it back. And so I made an Instagram page and started selling that day.
And that was it?
Yes, this was one of the first necklaces.
Oh, wow. Okay, so I see you've used gemstones and copper wire. And I think that showcases your intricate craftsmanship. So are you going to be showcasing, just how you do it today?
Yes. I brought some of my tools to show you how I make one of my copper coil rings.
Okay, all right. So talk to me a little bit about the gemstones, though, because you have a few on display here. Tell me what you have here.
Yes, I use natural gemstones. I source them mostly from local suppliers here in Jamaica, or when I travel or family members travel and they bring back stones for me. Like these are Larimar that I got from a trip to the Dominican Republic.
Okay. All right, and then just move it right along. This here? Mm-hmm. Okay, what about this one here?
These are mostly agates that my mother got while she was on a trip in the UK.
Okay, and I see here, this is absolutely beautiful.
Yes, I love those. Those are rainbow kyanites.
Rainbow kyanites.
Yes.
Woo! I'm gonna show our viewers a little bit. And we can use this to make what exactly? Necklace.
I have an example here. One of the necklaces I made from the rainbow kyanites.
Okay.
These I got from a local supplier here in Kingston, Rosie's Bead Shop in Devon House.
Okay, nice. How would you describe your style of jewelry and the style of jewelry that you make?
I would describe it as casual, elegant. I have various pieces that can be worn casually every day for a day out. I wear my rings every day. And some pieces that are more elegant for a nice night out.
Okay, so if it is that I want to dress up or dress down, if it is that I have, a casual function to attend, or, semi-formal, or even, a black tie function, you have the perfect jewelry for us all.
Yes, I also do custom orders. So if there's something in particular you want, you could give me an idea of the style and I can make it work.
Okay, all right. How long does it normally take for you to make these pieces? Because I see you've started working on your ring right now. How long does it normally take to make the ring?
For the rings, depending on the style, I can do those in 20 minutes or depending on the complexity. I have some simple rings that I can do in 10 minutes or some that would take longer.
All right, so you're going to do one that is very simple for us today, right?
Yeah.
All right, what about the necklaces? How long would these take?
For my necklaces, I have some that use a basic weave wrap that I also teach in jewelry making classes. Those I can do in 20 minutes. For students, it takes longer the first time they're doing it, of course.
Okay.
And for others, can be half an hour, or something more intricate like the Tree of Life necklace that would take maybe 2 hours for something like that.
Yes, like this
I do
one.
each individual link for that and link it together, so that can take
a little bit of time.
Yes.
Okay, and I see where the earrings as well, a lot of detail in terms of, what is added to it. And the earrings would complement the necklace nicely. It's a nice piece. And you have another set here as well.
Yes.
Okay. Would you say you have a collection? Because I think these look a little similar versus this one. Would you say you have different collections?
I have different collections, yes. I have copper jewelry, like that one. It's pure copper wire. Every link in that is copper wire. And then I have my gemstones, the necklaces and pendants here.
Okay. Oh, those are the different pendants on that side.
Yes, you can see some of the different designs here.
They're beautiful. They're so beautiful. And of course, we can't forget the earrings. I mean, we don't have a matching necklace, but if you do want a matching necklace, we can order one.
Yes, if you see something on my page that you like and you want an accompanying set, you can tell me what it is you're looking for, and I can see if I can find it. And if not, I can improvise as best I can for you.
Okay, and in terms of the earrings, how long do these take?
The earrings, those would take for the set 20 minutes or
the
30
pair.
minutes.
Okay, all right. As an entrepreneur, what would you say has been the most rewarding aspect of your journey so far?
Getting to surprise myself with my own creativity and also having people come back specifically looking for me. I met someone recently at a market who they were here last year for Christmas and they came back specifically to find another one of my necklaces.
Wow.
They came back that was at Kingston Night Market.
Okay. So persons have really been enjoying your pieces so far, Brianna. How can we find you if it is that we're looking for some of these fabulous pieces?
You can find me on Instagram at Leanne Jewelry or at my website, leannejewelry.com.
Okay.
I'm also at local markets like Kingston Night Market.
All right. So what are you doing now, Brianna? So you're taking the shape of the ring.
Yes.
Okay.
I have a ring shaper, or I can just use a nail polish for it,
Okay.
just to get the shape of the ring right.
Uh-huh. All right. And then what we're doing next? We're cutting it, or we're bending it, or
Making the coils.
okay, we're making the coils.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
So just need 1 more minute.
What would you say has been the most difficult aspect of your journey as an entrepreneur?
Difficult. Being my own boss at times is difficult, holding myself accountable to everything that needs to be done. And like I said, it started as a hobby. So reminding myself, this is my job. I need to focus. I need to do all of the business things and learning all of the business things.
Okay. Where do you draw inspiration from?
Various things that I see. Sometimes I just start experimenting with the wire and seeing what I get. Sometimes I will look at other artists' work, and that is...
Get some inspo.
Yes.
Okay.
Like for my ear cuffs, I saw another artist doing ear cuffs, and I thought I would try to make that. Not her style, of course, and I ended up making these ribbon ear cuffs.
Okay, so we have earrings, we have ear cuffs, we have necklaces, and of course sets where you can get the necklaces and the earrings to match. We do have different pendants as well, and of course rings, right? We can't forget the rings. Right now Brianna is working on one of the rings. Are we finished now, Brianna?
Just about. Just 1 more second.
1 more second. I want to show our viewers your lovely creation in a matter of less than 5 minutes, guys. Okay, less than 5 minutes, I promise you. All right. All right. Brianna, let me see.
Just about. Last part.
Last part now. Remind us of your social media handle again, finally, before we go, Brianna.
Leanne Jewelry.
Leanne Jewelry. Of course, we're shining with beauty this morning. Can I see it now?
There we go.
Ah, wow, it's so beautiful. We're not gonna get it perfect, Brianna, but I have to show the viewers what we did.
Okay.
Wow,
There
look
you
at
go.
this piece, guys. Look at it. Leanne Jewelry. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for joining us, Brianna, and of course, all the very best to you, all right?
Okay.
Owner and designer of Leanne Jewelry, Brianna Johnson. More on Weekend Smile after the break. Let me try on the ring.